Hello students, greetings from Ananda Mohan College. This year, centralized admission portal is introduced by Government of West Bengal for UG admission. In this video, you will be informed about Ananda Mohan College, the courses offered, the seat matrix and subjects to be learned in the same one. The link for the centralized admission portal is wbcap.in. In this video, you will be informed about the admission. This video is available in the centralized admission portal and also in the Ananda Mohan College website. You will get every information about the college from the website. The website address is anandamohancollege.ac.in. So type wbcap.in. Complete your registration process. The last date of application is 7 July 2024. First merit list will be published on 12 July 2024. You can edit or cancel your registration and application till 4 p.m. 7 July 2024. The documents required for registrations are 10th and 12th standard mark sheet, SC, ST, OBC, OBCB, EWS certificate, EWD certificate, identity proof document, that is Aadhaar, driving license, passport, etc. in PDF format, maximum size 2 MB. Bangla Shiksha ID if available, age proof certificate, that is class 10 admit card or class 10 registration certificate in PDF format, maximum size 2 MB. A photograph of the candidate, signature of the candidate, all in JPG or JPEG or PNG format, maximum size 2 MB and maximum size 1 MB for signature of the candidate. Bank account number of the candidate or guardian along with IFSC code. Check slip or passbook or bank account statement front page in JPG or JPEG format or PNG format, maximum size 2 MB. For any queries, call toll-free number, this toll-free number, and mail at support@wbcap.in. In the centralized admission portal, search by the name. Search the college by the name. Type Ananda Mohan College and you will get all informations about the college. That is the distance from the Sialdah and Howrah station and also the nearer metro station of Ananda Mohan College, and the courses offered by the college and what are the seat matrix of every courses, each courses, and course fees and eligibility, all are available in the website. Ananda Mohan College offers 14 honors and 3 general courses. The 4-year courses means the honors courses and multidisciplinary courses means the general courses. In BA courses, the subjects includes Bengali, English, History, Philosophy and Political Science. These are the seat matrix. And in basic courses, there are Botany, Chemistry, Economics, Mathematics, Physics, Physiology, Zoology, Computer Science. This is a self-financing course. Accountancy Honors is BCom courses, that is for 4-year honors courses. There are 3 MDC courses, that is multidisciplinary courses, BA, BSc and BCom. In the admission, in the Ananda Mohan College website, you will get the admission portal link. If any problem at the time of the admission, you mail us mcadmission@anandamohancollege.ac.in, and the information about the subject combination, seat matrix and other informations you will get from AMC brochure. By clicking AMC brochure, you will get this type of combination, subject combination for 4-year honors or major courses, and what are the major subjects and minor subjects are there, and what are the admission fees and total course fees, all are mentioned in this AMC website, AMC brochure. So choose wisely the combination. As for example, if major subject is English, there are many combination of minor subjects, and the details of course fees and admission fees are there. This is the total core course structure for 4 year, that is the honors course. You have to take one major subject and 2 minor subjects and 3 IDC subjects. IDC means interdisciplinary courses. Interdisciplinary courses are other than major and minor courses. That is, if you have chemistry honors, you have to take 2 minor subjects as physics and mathematics, and the IDC subjects are other than chemistry, physics and mathematics. AEC is ability enhancement courses. This is language based courses, and in semester 1 this is English. SEC, that is skill enhancement courses, you have to take 3 SEC subjects, and these SEC subjects is from major courses, that is from chemistry if you have chemistry honors. There are 2 CVAC, that is compulsory value-added courses. There are 2 CVAC courses. One is environmental studies and other is constitutional values. So in semester 1 you have to study 1 major courses, 1 minor courses, 1 IDC, 1 AEC, 1 SEC and 2 CVAC. The total credits are mentioned here for all semester up to 8 semester, and total marks are 4300 for total 4 year. Candidates who would not pursue dissertation or research work would have to study 1 additional or CC paper in semester 7 and 2 CC papers in semester 8 for 4 credits each. Now look at the core course of MDC or multidisciplinary course, that is the 3-year course. In 3-year course you have to take 2 core courses and 1 minor courses, CC1, CC2 and minor, and 3 IDC courses. 3 IDC courses is other than this CC1, CC2 and minor courses. 1 AEC based on the language and 1 SEC subject. SEC subject is from CC1 subject in semester 1, and 2 CVAC, that is one is environmental studies and other is constitutional values. So total credit is this, and total marks for some 6th semester is this. So in semester 1 you have to study CC1, CC2, 1 IDC subject, 1 AEC and 1 SEC subject and 2 CVAC subject for MDC courses. So welcome to Ananda Mohan College. We are always there to help you. You will face any difficulties at the time of admission. Mail us at mcadmission@anandamohancollege.ac.in. Thank you.